Welcome back, friends. Thanks for tuning in today to Tiffkneebaby TV. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thanks for joining us. Today, I'm really excited. I'm excited for two reasons. One, because of the bomb review that I'm about to bring you. Y'all, this wig is gorgeous. This is not a sponsored video. This is sponsored by my own pocketbook. I purchased this wig with my own coins for the purpose of this collab, and this collaboration today is with my girl, Nizzy's Playhouse. Welcome, Nizzy. Here's a really quick story time for you guys. I'm at my sister's house maybe 4, 5, 6 months ago, watching YouTube as I often do, and a video pops up, and of course I click play. I'm all about the notification gang. So I'm watching this video and my sister says to me, "Isn't that the girl from our town?" And I was like, "What?" And she says, "Yeah, she's from our town. She used to date our cousin." And I'm like, "What?" So immediately I hop into Nizzy's DMs and I'm like, "Do you live in, and did you used to date?" And she's like, "Yeah." So now I realize that we're almost like sister cousins, and now we have to do this collaboration. So shout out to Nizzy's Playhouse. It's an absolute pleasure to be doing this collaboration with you, girl. I absolutely adore your channel, and I've been a long time subscriber since before I even knew about our personal connection. So make sure that you guys check out Nizzy's Playhouse if you're not already familiar. I'll be sure to leave a link down below to her video. Make sure that you head on over and show her some love. Tell her Tiffkneebaby TV sent you. But it's time. I hope that you're ready for the slay today, guys. Get ready to watch me work. Today we're going to be talking about Fayre. This is a new release from Bobbi Boss. I have it in the color TTHL414613. Fayre is a 13x7 lace front wig. They claim that this unit is glueless, and I think that's because they've put the elastic band in, but we'll see. It's definitely HD lace, and it comes with a pre-plucked hairline. This is what the color looks like. Gorge. I hadn't seen anybody review this color yet, so when I was shopping and I saw this color blend, I knew I had to check it out for you guys. Do you see those baby hairs? Those are not bangs. They're thick enough to be bangs, and they're long and curly enough to be bangs, but they're intended to be baby hairs, so we'll address that. Here's her cap construction. You are going to get 13 by 7 inches of free parting lace space. Behind that parting space, you will also receive 2 combs. You'll get 1 comb in the back. You have your standard adjustable straps, but then you also have this elastic band, and this is why they keep telling us that these units are glueless. It's a lie, it's not glueless. But I digress. So I've dealt enough with these HD transparent laces to know that this is very difficult to camouflage. So the very first thing I'm going to do is to go in and spray this with my Ebon Tinted Lace Spray. I use the color Light Warm Brown. I'm really excited to get this one on, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and slip off Sheena. I'll be right back with you guys as soon as I have this one on. Straight onto my head. Ignore these baby bangs. But straight onto my head. This color and this cut are giving me everything that I need right now. This length and this density and the texture of this hair is all outstanding. I am not getting any tangling. Let's see, I'm not getting any shedding either, you guys. So far, 10 out of 10. 9 out of 10 because of the baby bangs. Now, I love this 613 highlight right up front. That is so pretty, you guys. These roots fading looks so natural. This color is so well blended. Now, because it is a little bit shiny, I am gonna go ahead and spray this with some dry shampoo. Now, this comes standard as a middle part, but I'm going to see what this looks like as a side part. I don't know, I feel like the highlight hits different with the side part versus the middle. What do you think, you guys? Definitely recommend a left side part over a right side part. There's a big difference in that highlight being visible, in my opinion. I'm also going to swap out my wig cap for a lighter colored wig cap. This one's significantly lighter than my complexion, but I find that it works better on these transparent HD lace wigs. just got here, you guys, so come say hey.
Hey y'all.
So I'm gonna tie this down, let this dry, hang out with my friend. I'll be back a little bit later to give you guys my final thoughts. All right, friends, so this is your final look at Fayre. This is how she turned out, and I absolutely love this unit. These curls, this body, this density, the length, and everything about this unit, I am absolutely 100% here for. I'm gonna give you a 360 look at her real quick. So for a quick recap, this unit is definitely big head friendly, but you will not get full coverage ear to ear. My edges are slightly out here. This unit did not give me very much shedding. However, tangling is an issue, especially in the back and underneath. I'm definitely getting some matting under here. You'll need to take a brush or a wig comb or something along those lines with you when you're rocking Fayre. Overall, this is definitely a solid purchase and Tiffkneebaby approved 100%. Before I go, thank you so much to Nizzy's Playhouse for doing this collaboration with me. Shout out to my girl. Thank you so much. I just absolutely adore your channel. Everything about your vibe, I'm rocking with. Guys, make sure you check her out. She's definitely gonna give you all the tea, all the realness, and you're gonna love her channel. I appreciate the time that you spent with Tiffkneebaby TV today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you leave me a comment down below. Let me know that you saw this video. Give it a big thumbs up, and also make sure that you hit that subscribe button for me on your way out. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day, loves. Bye, friends.